And today's video, here it is guys. This is the last part of the collection of Batman Forever. So this is Two-Face, Harvey Dent, portrayed by Tommy Lee Jones in of course the movie Batman Forever. So I have collected all of the 4 action figure of the Batman Forever. Okay, so let's look at the site. It says Two-Face, Batman Forever. Of course, I have collected all 4 action figures. Alright? So let's open up the box guys and let's look how good this one is. Of course, this is the symbol of the Batman Forever. Alright. Okay, I think we have to put all of it. Okay. So this is Two-Face. Okay. And also have a pair of changeable hand, extra hand, okay? And at the back of the figure, this is the other side of the nightmare bat. Okay? Of course, before I forgot, Tommy Lee Jones as Two-Face, Harvey Dent. Okay, let's take out Harvey Dent outside of this plastic. Okay, again guys, this is on sale, so I bought it both last 2 figures of the Batman Forever. Okay. Alright. So let's take a close look at Tommy Lee Jones. Okay. So far so good. As in the movie, he looks like the same, and looks really Tommy Lee Jones. Same as the suit in the movie. Of course, wearing the shoes. Alright, this is actually really great. Alright, so let's try moving the head. Okay, nice and easy. Alright, so let's try the arm. Okay, we can put it up. How high? Okay, this is how high the arm is. And let's start the articulation. Okay. Okay, from the right side of his hand, this is coin. Okay, actually it's a coin. So the left side of his hand, he's holding something right here. It's like he's holding like a gun. But actually, the box inside doesn't have a gun. So we'll try to figure it out if we can put a gun here. Okay, so the body doesn't move that much, not unlike the others. So this is a bit movement of his body because he's wearing a suit. Okay, anyway, let's try the legs. Okay. Of course, the toes is also moved. Of course, nice shoes. Same on the other side. Alright. And of course, toes again. So this, this looks really great. The coat of Harvey Dent, the Two-Face. It's cool. The McFarlane Toys did a really great thing with this suit. So I'm so impressed with this one. So again guys, this is Two-Face from the movie Batman Forever. Okay, let's take a look at the hand, spare hand, or the changeable hand. Okay, so when you look at this one, as I look, he's like holding a gun, but this is the left arm. Okay, so when I look at the spare hand, the changeable hand, the right hand should be the one who's holding a gun right here. Okay, so we'll try to put something here, holding a gun, although it doesn't include inside the box. Okay guys, so let's go and try to put him on a roll. So alright guys, this is the changeable hand, the box of Two-Face, and of course Two-Face himself, right there, and a photo of Family John, and of course the last part of the Nightmare Bat things inside. So if you're going to look for this action figure, don't look for this gun, because this gun, I just borrowed this one on my other action figure toy, okay? So don't bother to look for this one when you wanted to buy this Two-Face. Okay? So again guys, thank you for watching again this video. Okay? Thank you for watching all my 4 collection of Batman Forever. So again guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you once again for more action figure toys. Thank you guys, bye.